How to fix Tinder account on review. Hi guys, it's Mikrant. Hope you guys all are fine. So without any delay, let's get started. When a Tinder account is placed under review, it means the platform is investigating the account for potential violation of community guidelines or terms of service. Here's what you can do to address the situation. Wait for an update. Tinder may automatically review your account and lift any restriction if they determine no violence occurred. This can take some time, so patience is the key. Check your email. Tinder usually sends an email explaining why your account is under review. Check your email for any messages from Tinder, including your spam or junk folder. This email might contain information on what you can do next. Contact Tinder support. If you believe your account was wrongly flagged, you can reach out to Tinder customer support for clarification or appeal. Be polite and provide any necessary detail to help resolve the issue. You can contact through the app or Tinder support page. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.